Hi all, welcome back to DOPA classes. Okay, here you may getting confusion from one part. Then that is our hydration enthalpy. Hydration enthalpy. Hydration enthalpy. A simple area, but we may get confusion. What is the size order there? Simply I am explaining. Just you can take one knife preparing time, we were introducing that iron rod, iron piece to the flame. After getting a red hot, we were take out that when we hammered. After hammering, what process are occurred? Directly we are introducing to the water. On that time a sound are produced. Simply that is called as hydration enthalpy. Amount of energy released from a cation by absorbing water molecule. It is a cation. This one kept with water. On that time, from here, energy are released. That is called as hydration enthalpy. Here, size of cation inversely proportional to hydration enthalpy. Therefore, each and every group, as we come down the group, hydration enthalpy should be decreases. Reason? Size increased. Hydration enthalpy is a major concept. Don't forget that. A simple explanation only given here. The amount of energy released from a cation by absorbing one mole water molecule, that is called as hydration enthalpy. Try to read yourself. You are getting more number of like this concept from our DOPA. Please follow us and also try to like and share our videos. Okay, bye all of you. We will meet again with a number of other techniques.